the dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so I've been getting so many requests on how to do the free flow from the game Fortnite Season 7. Thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Joni, for being the first one to request it. So the first thing I want to show you is actually the pre-dance, or the thing that comes before the actual dance, and that's this part. Boom, ha, boom, ha. Okay, so to do that, your left knee is doing a circular motion, so I'm going lift from in here, inwards, going outwards, down. Now the right is up on my toes, and at the same time I want to bring my knee inwards like that. And I also want to do sit. So I'm up here, now I'm going a bit down. Up, down, up, down, up. So again from the top, my leg is going left, is going whoop, up, right is going in. So again, left, here, right, follows. So I'm up here, and I'm going a bit down. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, ta, boom, ta. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, round, right, round. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, round, right, round. Now, your arms are saying boom, ha, boom, ha. So boom, ha, continue, ha. So I'm doing 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. Now they actually do one more. So from here, I'm going right, left. So it was here, right is inwards, knee inwards. Now I'm going outwards, left, out, in, back, in. Remember the levels. Up, down, up, sit, sit, up. So my arms are going boom, tap. Now it's going the other way around, tap. So here, whoop, opposite way. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop, tap, tap. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop, tap, tap. Okay, so now to the real dance. The first step is right. Yeah, so you're doing step, 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 and you want to go hip, hip, hip. So you're shooting your hip from side to side. You're saying right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. And notice that I'm leaning because I'm shooting my hip from side to side. Yeah? So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Now the arms are saying here, point, whoop, and the other side, other side. Yes, I'm saying whoop, hey, hey, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoop, hey, hey, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, tap, tap. That's time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, tap, tap. Well, they actually do one more point at the end, but let's just leave that out. I think that's just confusing. Okay, so we did wa, ta, ta. From here, you want to jump on your left, kicking your right back. So I went wa, ta, ta. From here, jumping on my left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ta, ta, jump. Now from here, you want to bring your leg back. Boom. So I'm just going to show you here from the side. So I'm jumping boom, up, scoop, and down, and kick, and down. So again, 5, 6. So from here, jump, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, scoop, and down, and kick, and down. So every time I go down, my legs are gonna go on my heel, turning my toes out. Yeah, whoop, kick, and out. So again, from here, let's do it from the jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, scoop, and down, and kick it, and down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, and up, and down, and kick it, and down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, and up, and down, and kick it, and down. Okay, now to the arms. The arms are saying with boom, boom, boom. From here, they're saying cross. Yeah, so I went from here. I want to say cross, out. So again from here, 7, 8. Cross, out. 7, 8. Cross, out. From here, I'm going to take them down here. And then pull them up. Now the left one is up here. Yeah, so both hand and elbow is up. Here, my hand is down, my elbow is up. Yeah, so the right elbow is up, right hand is down. So I went from boom, 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 cross, out, down, and up. Again, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, down, up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, down, ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, down, ha. Okay, so when we combine it, it's gonna look like this. We just did whoop, whoop, whoop. From here, I'm gonna say cross. Yeah, so cross jump. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. From here, out, and here, as I'm pulling my arms or elbows out, my leg is going further back. I'm just gonna show it from the side. Boom, boom, boom. I'm doing ha. So from here, I'm gonna say scoop up. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, scoop. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, out, scoop, ha. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, out, scoop, ha. Now after we've done whoop, scoop, from here, arms are gonna come down. Now it's the right coming to the front, and left here to the side, almost here at the back. Again, boom, ha. So again, I just did scoop. From here, I want to take my right to the front. And then I'm gonna say kick it. Yeah, so now the left is to the front. And now I want to bring my right back to the front. So I was here scoop. Now I want to say right to the front, left to the front, right to the front. So boom, boom, boom. Let's take it from jump, out, scoop, up, and down, kick it, and down. Again, 5, from the jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, out, boom, scoop, and down, and kick, and down. One last time. From the jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, scoop, down, and kick it, and down. Alright, let's take it from the tip to top. So, quick recap. We're going whoom, 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 jump, out, scoop, up, and down, and kick it, and down. Again, from the top, slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, ta, ta. Jump, out, scoop, up and down, and I kick it and down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, cross, out, scoop, up and down, and I kick it and down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, jump, scoop, up, down, and I kick it and down.